Now, according to another development that is taking place over this controversy, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has called for a key meeting in Parliament where top BJP leaders are expected to be present, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister is expected to chair this meeting at around 10 a.m. Details, Sabyasachi, of what this meeting is all about.
Well, see, this meeting is about the disruption that has been going inside both the houses, because yesterday also, after the remark that came in from Union Home Minister Amit Shah, we saw that both the houses was not able to function because of the continuous protest from the opposition leaders, both inside and outside the parliament, where the Congress party decided, along with the other member of parliament from different political parties, that they are going to protest outside the parliament, in fact carrying a portrait of Babasaheb Ambedkar. And in fact, the several opposition parties have confirmed that they are going to carry out the protest until and unless Union Home Minister apologizes to the country. In fact, several adjournment motion also has been given regarding this. Yesterday, the Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Mr. Derek O'Brien, has given a privilege motion against Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and that is the reason why this meeting has been called in by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju to break the deadlock that is being seen inside the Parliament because of the protest.
All right, so protest on one side that has been taking place because barely 2 days left as far as the Parliament winter session that will get over. Now we talk about why the Congress party has been sticking to its guns. The BJP meanwhile is furnishing further evidence, according to them, to show how the Congress has insulted Babasaheb Ambedkar in the past. BJP citing a letter that the late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru wrote to Edwina Mountbatten, dated on the 16th of January 1952, in which the former Prime Minister wrote, and I quote, "Ambedkar has combined with the Hindu communalists," unquote. Now, the BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya also shared an old video of Rahul Gandhi from a program in Maharashtra claiming that the Congress MP garlanded every icon except Babasaheb Ambedkar. According to Rahul, of using or refusing rather to acknowledge Babasaheb Ambedkar's legacy, Amit Malviya of the BJP says that it shows deep-rooted hate for Dalits in the Congress party. But the Congress party and the India Bloc parties persist with the attack mode, with plans to up the ante with protests and a privilege notice. Congress party will be holding a protest across the country at all party state district headquarters to demand resignation of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. With the Indian Union Congress, that is also expected to hold protests with the IYC national office in the national capital. And in addition to this, the TMC has also announced that it will be holding another protest at the parliament. Sources suggest that TMC MP Derek O'Brien, who has also filed a privilege notice against the Union Home Minister.
जो डॉक्टर अंबेडकर पर टिप्पणी किया, उसे वो माफ़ी नहीं मांगने से हम प्रदर्शन करते ही रहेंगे। कल सुबह भी पार्लियामेंट में अब देखेंगे सब विरोधी दल एक साथ मिलके, जैसे हम कल वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन को लेकर आंदोलन किया, ऐसा ही कल अमित शाह को खिलाफ आंदोलन होगा।
It seems on part of the opposition